Hi everyone, my name is John Watson and this is iTechNews episode number 2. If you're new here, grand welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell gizmo so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's begin. So the first news comes from Ben Gaskin, as he has tweeted that the Apple's long-term plan is to get rid of the Lightning port entirely for the wireless data transfer as well as charging. With a speed of 480 Mbps with a range of 3 meters and 110 Mbps with a range of 10 meters. So what do you think about it? You know, your iPhone without Lightning port, without headphone jack, without USB Type-C. Okay, so moving forward to the next one. The next news comes from the IC Universe, as he has stated that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series will have the 5G variant. So what do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section below. As Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series, they are pretty good smartphones. I think that in the Android smartphone market, Samsung is the one who is making the best smartphones right now. And it has also said that the OneUI 2.0 is also gonna come very soon. What do you think about OneUI? As I really like the OneUI as compared to their previous UI, TouchWiz. I think that OneUI is one of the best UIs. Google. So the next news comes from Google. Google is not allowed to sell their Pixel 4 lineup in India just because of the Face ID. There's a radar sensor built into the Face ID of Google Pixel 4 series, and because of that, they are not allowed to sell this smartphone in Indian market. Wait. Google is so proud of their Face ID, and their Face ID is just like, even though your eyes are closed, anybody can open your smartphone and do whatever they want to do. That much secure is their Google's Face ID, and because of that, they have left Indian market. I don't know. What should I say? Tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. So the hottest news comes from the Apple. Apple has announced Apple Airpods Pro with their website refresh. That's not like Apple, because whenever Apple wants to, introduce a new technology or a new product, they often hold an event. But this time they just did the website refresh and just announced it. Apple's AirPods, they are really good, really convenient. They connect to the Apple devices seamlessly, and Apple AirPods, they became famous just because of the convenience. But I think that Apple has made a right move to add the noise cancellation. And Pro, I don't think that's Pro, maybe whatever they think about it. Okay, so that's all for today. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. It depends on you. I will see you soon.